Hey everyone, I am Bryce, and today I am going to explain to you how to use the Microsoft Authenticator app. First, open the Microsoft Authenticator application on your mobile device. Now tap on Continue to proceed. Here, you have the option to sign in with Microsoft. Go ahead and enter details including your email address and password. Here, you need to enter the verification code sent to you. Open your Gmail application. Locate and open the email containing the verification code. Enter the code in the provided field. Now click on Sign In to continue. Tap on Allow to grant necessary permissions. You should now see that you are ready to add your first account. You can choose to send usage data to Microsoft. If you sign in, your Microsoft account will be linked automatically. You can back up your codes to the cloud, but it won't enable two-factor authentication for your Microsoft account. You can enable autofill for passwords, but it is optional. Go to the password section, and from here, you can choose to import the passwords from your desired location. To add a password, simply tap on that option and then add website name, username, and password. It is very easy to manage multiple passwords using this app. Apart from passwords, you can also add and save multiple addresses. Just fill in complete details and it will keep your data safe. The next section is to accept a verified ID for more control of your identity. Some websites and organizations now offer verified IDs. Click on Scan QR code to add your ID. Then tap on these three horizontal lines given in your top left corner. From here, you can access the menu, accounts, notifications, settings, help, and feedback section. Lastly, enable backup in the settings to save your account codes online. Don't forget to save your backup codes somewhere safe. And that's it. That will be it for this video. I hope you guys got some value. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.